Get into the 2021 Mazda CX-5. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy the good life in this CX-5, the compact crossover with highline style. Its excellent ride and cornering prowess make this upscale SUV a delight on country roads, and its exceptionally quiet cabin creates a soothing oasis wherever the journey takes you. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, fog lamps, satellite radio, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, keyless start, 4-cylinder engine, premium sound system. Be excited about the journey in this comfortable and capable CX-5. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.